Camping tables for backpacking are essential gear for any outdoor enthusiast who wants to enjoy a comfortable meal in the wilderness. There are many products available to choose camping tables for backpacking, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best camping tables for backpacking from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Naturehike FT07 Ultralight Camping Table. The Naturehike Camping Table is a lightweight and portable solution for all your outdoor adventures. Made of durable Aero-Metal aircraft-grade aluminum, this collapsible camp table can support up to 44 pounds. It weighs only 1.4 pounds and comes with a carry bag, making it easy to take with you anywhere. The table is simple to set up in just 2 steps and features a large-size mesh desktop that can accommodate food, snacks, and more. With 2 convenient cup holders and a reinforced structure for stability, this table is designed with your convenience in mind. Whether you're camping, having a picnic, or enjoying a day at the beach, the Naturehike Camping Table is the perfect companion. Number 2. Small Camping Side Table. The Outdoor 360 Small Camping Side Table is a lightweight, foldable, and portable table that keeps dirt, sand, and bugs off your gear. The table is made of premium aluminum, engineered to hold up to 30 pounds, and features strong aluminum legs that are capped with rubber feet for extra stability on any terrain. The table is easy to assemble and maintain, and it can be taken anywhere, such as camping, beach outings, or picnics, making it an ideal portable table for outdoor activities. Number 3. Trichology Small Camping Table. The Trichology Camping Table is the perfect companion for all your outdoor needs. This lightweight and portable camping table is made with an aerospace-grade aluminum alloy that is durable and easy to clean. It folds up easily and can be stored in the included carry bag, making it convenient to take with you wherever you go. Whether you're camping, picnicking, or having a barbecue, this table provides a stable work surface for all your activities. It is easy to set up with no tools required, thanks to its pop-up aluminum base frame. With a weight capacity of up to 50 pounds, it is sturdy and safe to use. The anti-slip rubber feet ensure stability on any terrain. Upgrade your outdoor experience with a Trichology Camping Table. Number 4. Trichology Compact Mini Camping Table. The Trichology Mini Camping Table is designed for easy outdoor use. Its innovative pop-up legs allow for quick setup without any tools, making it simple to establish a stable surface wherever you are. Weighing just 17 ounces, it's ultra-lightweight and folds down to a compact size, so you can easily carry it in your backpack. With a strong capacity to hold up to 44 pounds, this table is versatile enough for camping, hiking, or beach outings. Plus, its weather-resistant materials ensure durability and easy cleaning, so you can enjoy your adventures worry-free. Number 5. iClimb Mini Solo Folding Table. The iClimb Mini Solo Table is the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. Weighing only 10 ounces, this ultralight and compact table is designed for those who care about every ounce. The hollow-out aluminum alloy tabletop reduces weight while maintaining lifelong durability. With strong stainless legs, it can support up to 33 pounds. The beautifully engineered tabletop has a polished upward edge, preventing utensils from falling and ensuring your hands won't get hurt. The iClimb Mini Solo Table is flame and heat-resistant, providing a separate platform for your stove and protecting the ground from spills. Its low height makes it more stable than higher tables, and the easy setup allows you to enjoy its convenience wherever you go. Whether you're backpacking, camping, hiking, or enjoying a picnic at the beach, this table is a great choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Plus, it comes with a lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects, giving you peace of mind.
That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.